Have you ever created a video that looks perfect on one platform and then completely wrong when you upload it somewhere else? Maybe your video is cropped, your text gets cut off, or you end up with those annoying black bars on the side. Well, today I'm going to make aspect ratios really simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what aspect ratio to use for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And most importantly, when to use each one. First, let me show you within CapCut where you would find aspect ratios. Within a project, you're going to go to the bottom and scroll all the way to the right, and you'll find aspect ratios. Now, when I'm talking through this video about different ratios, this is where you will find them, and this is the first step you want to do for every single CapCut project you do, because it will save a lot of headaches later if you just set this for the right format up front. If you're a content creator, social media manager, or just someone who makes videos for multiple platforms, understanding aspect ratios can save you a ton of time. So let's break down the 5 most common ratios you're going to run into and exactly where they work best. And don't worry, you do not need to be a video editing expert to understand all this. Let's start with 16:9. This is the classic widescreen video format. If you're creating a traditional YouTube video, 16:9 is your go-to. For example, a common resolution is 1920 by 1080, which is full HD. This format is perfect for YouTube videos, tutorials, vlogs, educational content, long-form videos. Think of it as a traditional TV or computer screen format. So if you're making a regular YouTube video where someone is sitting down and watching your content, 16:9 is usually the format you want. Next up is 1:1. Or square format. This one is exactly what it sounds like. The width and height are the same. A common resolution would be 1080 by 1080. Square videos have traditionally been popular for Instagram and Facebook feed posts. They can work really well for things like product showcases, announcements, quotes, educational graphics, feed content. The big advantage of a square format is that it takes up more screen space than a traditional landscape video when someone is scrolling on a phone. However, there's an important distinction here. If you're creating new content specifically for Instagram or Facebook, there are better options than square, which brings us to the next ratio. 4:5, vertical feed video. The 4:5 aspect ratio is one you definitely want to know if you're creating content for Instagram or Facebook feeds. A common resolution is 1080 by 1350. It's taller than a square video, which means it takes up more vertical real estate on a phone screen. And that can be a big advantage when someone is scrolling. This format works well for Instagram feed posts, Facebook feed posts, product features, educational content, engagement-focused posts. So if you have a video or an image that you want people to stop and look at while they're scrolling through their feed, a 4:5 is a great option. Our next option is a 2:3, Facebook vertical. This is another vertical format that you may encounter, particularly with Facebook content. A common resolution would be 1080 by 1620. This format can be useful for certain Facebook feed content, image posts, and promotional content. But there's an important takeaway here. You don't want to automatically assume that every vertical video should be 2:3. Different platforms and placements have different requirements, and Facebook has changed its recommendations over time. So before exporting, always double-check the current specifications for the exact type of Facebook post you're creating. Lastly, 9:16, which is a full-screen vertical. This is the format that has completely taken over short-form videos, 9:16. This is your full-screen vertical format. A common resolution is 1080 by 1920. If you've ever held your phone upright and watched a video that fills the entire screen of your phone, chances are you're looking at 9:16. This is the format you want for things like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, YouTube Shorts, and any other short-form vertical video. And if you're creating content specifically for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, 9:16 should usually be your starting point. One important tip: remember that these platforms place buttons, captions, usernames, and other interface elements over your video. So don't put important text or graphics right against the edges of the screen. Keep your important content towards the center, especially when you're creating captions, titles, or calls to action. So let's make this really easy to remember. A 16 by 9 is your traditional YouTube and widescreen video. A 1 by 1 is your square for social media posts. 4 by 5 is for taller feed content for platforms like Instagram and Facebook. 2 by 3 is another vertical format you may encounter, particularly on Facebook. And 9 by 16, your full screen vertical format for TikTok, Reels, Stories, and YouTube Shorts. The most important thing is to choose your aspect ratio based on where your content is going before you start editing. That can save you from having to resize everything later. And that's it. Hopefully this makes aspect ratios a little less confusing and helps you create content that looks great no matter where you post it.